Hello everyone. Let's read a book together. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Rooster. It's a rooster. Rooster say cock-a-doodle-doo. Woodpecker. It's a woodpecker. Woodpecker say peck, peck, peck. Ducks. They are ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are 5 ducks. Ducks say quack, quack, quack. Pigeon. It's a pigeon. Pigeon 口鸽子。Flamingos. They are flamingos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 flamingos. Flamingos 口红鹤。Toucan. It's a toucan. Toucan 口大嘴鸟。Penguins. They are penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 penguins. Ostriches. They are ostriches. 1, 2. They are 2 ostriches. Ostriches 口鸵鸟。Hummingbird. It's a hummingbird. Hummingbird 口蜂鸟。Peacock. It's a peacock. Peacock 口孔雀。Owl. It's an owl. Owl say ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, goodbye. See you. Bye bye.